Alternating current is perfect. It is so pure and beautiful. It has the unique ability to disinfect any kind of surface, including the human body, killing microbes without causing any harm to the body's tissues.
Is that dangerous?
Don't worry. You can touch it. Go ahead. There's no need to worry, young lady. I've passed 1,000,000 volts of current through my body, and you see, I am still very much alive. If the frequency is above 700 hertz, the current simply flows over your body. Isn't it wonderful?
Consumer alert for you tonight. A major hotel chain is taking germ fighting to the next level. They're using UV and black lights to kill germs, just like some hospitals out there. Right now, ABC 15's Susan Casper is showing you if it really works.
Bathroom, phone receiver, remote. No matter how much the maids scrub, there are still germs, and consumers know it.
People come back when it's clean. They don't come back when it's dirty.
That's why Best Western is looking beyond traditional cleaners.
The black light is for what the eye, what me or you can't see.
Annette Davis inspects every room with a black light after all the cleaning is done, then uses a UV light to sterilize the room.
Any biohazardous germs or anything like that, it can actually get rid of. And you can actually kill, 98% of the germs.
The technology is used to kill germs in operating rooms, but hotel rooms?
It's a good step forward.
Chris Wolverton is a professor at Kent State University in Ohio. He says hotel rooms may have germs from feces and coughing and sneezing. UV light can kill those, but only if used properly.
If they get the right exposure time, you're going to get killers.
In this experiment, Wolverton exposed E. coli to 30 seconds of UV light.
We're going to cover half of the dish.
According to our sister station in Ohio, 24 hours later, the right side that was exposed to UV light did not grow. These new tools are being rolled out this year at all Best Western hotels. Susan Casper, ABC 15 News.
New tonight.
AC interior surfaces, mold and pathogen free. A major contributor to poor indoor air quality and reduced HVAC efficiency is the result of the condensation that occurs as air is dehumidified and cooled in the air conditioner. This moisture creates an ideal environment for the growth of mold and other microorganisms on the HVAC system components. Since mold is one of the most common allergens, it can increase allergic reactions and aggravate other respiratory health problems. This is because a mold-infested coil generates and releases millions of mold spores into household air. A severely bioclogged coil can cause excessive air resistance, and the insulating characteristics of the biogrowth reduces the thermal efficiency of the system. The result is the air conditioner works harder, increasing energy use and accelerating wear and tear. Clogged coils and drain pans periodically require expensive chemical cleanings, which are not good for the environment. UV light is a natural disinfectant and a component of sunlight. Scientifically, UV is a part of the electromagnetic light spectrum, falling just below the visible light frequencies. And the germicidal wavelength of UV light centers on 254 nanometers. UV light works as a disinfectant because it is able to penetrate cell tissue and break up cellular DNA. Most microbes are so small that typical furnace filters don't capture them. Therefore, an air filter can't keep microbes away from the moist HVAC coil or surrounding surfaces. Adding an easy UV light disinfects the moist interior surfaces, preventing mold and microbes from colonizing. Microbes that are airborne are also given a dose of UV, which helps reduce their numbers as well. Easy UV is economical yet powerful and versatile to fit nearly any HVAC system. Easy UV is designed to operate 24/7 keeping the air conditioner clean and operating at peak efficiency at all times, and consistently improving your indoor air quality while helping minimize your electric bill and the cost of HVAC maintenance. With the simple addition of Easy UV, your HVAC system has been converted to a system that not only cools the air, but gives you healthier air. Ultravation Easy UV for HVAC systems.
Enjoy the benefits of a central air system in their home. These systems keep us cool in the summer and warm in the winter. What most people don't know is that the systems that heat and cool our homes can also spread airborne contaminants throughout the house. Bacteria, mold, viruses, and allergens like pollen are carried by the air into the air system. Because the system constantly recirculates the air in your home, these airborne pathogens can spread throughout the entire house. Some are only annoying, others can make you sick. If left unchecked, these contaminants can clog your air handling system and damage it. Then the system itself becomes a breeding ground for germs. The Environmental Protection Agency lists indoor air quality as one of the top 5 environmental health risks today.
Isn't there some effective way to make the air my family breathes safer?
The answer is light. Safe, effective, germicidal ultraviolet light. For over 100 years, scientists have known of the germ-killing power of UV light. It's used in a wide variety of applications, reducing the need for dangerous chemicals. Now, this wonder of nature is available to you in the Fresh Air UV line of germicidal UV light products.
What is ultraviolet light? Can I see it?
Visible light is just a part of the spectrum. Low-frequency infrared light lies beyond the red edge of the visible spectrum and is experienced as heat. High-frequency ultraviolet light lies beyond the purple edge of the visible spectrum. The particular range of UV light that kills germs is called UVC light.
There are a lot of air cleaning products out there, and most of them don't work very well. Is UV disinfection really effective?
How does UV light actually kill germs?
For years, UV light has been used in hospitals and laboratories to disinfect the air, operating rooms, work surfaces, and instruments that are exposed to hazardous biological materials. Similar technology is used in the food industry, where meat and produce are exposed to UV light before packaging. And water purification systems, large and small, now incorporate the technology. UVC light works by penetrating the cell walls of microorganisms and smashing the DNA molecules inside. This eliminates the microorganisms by preventing them from reproducing. In addition, some Fresh Air UV lamps are made with an optional odor sanitizing technology, or OST segment, built into the glass, which emits a higher frequency of UVC light. Lamps with this option not only kill germs, but they destroy volatile organic compounds, or VOCs, which are responsible for cooking smells, pet odors, chemical vapors from new carpet, and most other offensive odors.
Hey, that sounds great, but how is the UV system actually installed in my air handler?
The systems are installed by licensed contractors. Some systems like Bluetube and Fresh Air UV are installed near the cooling coils. That way, the UVC light shines directly onto the coils, blowers, and other components, killing mold and bacteria that grow there. This also makes the air system more efficient because it's cleaner. Some other UV systems, like the Fresh Air UV Purity, are whole house air purification systems. These replace your existing air filter. Your AC service technician will help you choose the system that's right for your home.
Is UV light safe? What about our kids and our pets?
A UV light system is safe for everyone in your household. The UV light is mounted inside the air handler, and the germ-killing effect is limited to that immediate area.
Are all germicidal UV light systems the same?
Who makes the best?
The Fresh Air UV systems from Triatomic Environmental are widely considered to be the best in the industry. These include Bluetube UV, Fresh Air UV, and the new Purity Whole House UV air purification system, as well as larger commercial systems. Triatomic Environmental is a leader in this field and is constantly improving their products through a commitment to research and development and customer satisfaction. It's time for you and your family to breathe easy in the knowledge that your health and home are protected by the power of light.